Hello everyone, welcome. I am Teacher Sherwin. In this video, we are going to answer the question, when is qualitative research appropriate to use? Researchers conduct qualitative research, or studies, because there is a problem, a phenomenon, or there is an issue that needs to be explored. In qualitative research, an issue is worth exploring. There has to be an exploration because there is a need to hear the silenced voices of a particular group or individual. Researchers chose qualitative research because an issue is complex and it needs to have a detailed understanding. Detailed understanding of the research issue, a phenomenon, or a problem cannot be established by using a standardized survey questionnaire. However, by directly talking with the target informants or participants, observing their activities, and allowing them to freely share their experiences or stories. Qualitative research is also conducted to follow up quantitative research and explain the mechanisms or linkages in causal theories or models. According to Cresswell, 2013, these theories provide a general picture of either trends, associations, and relationships, but they do not tell us about the processes that people experience, the underlying reasons of their response, the context in which they responded, and their deeper thoughts and behaviors that govern their responses. Another reason of doing qualitative research is to develop a theory or theories. Grounded theory research, one of the qualitative approaches to inquiry, moves beyond description and aims to generate or develop a theory. The theory produced using a qualitative approach may help explain or improve understanding of an issue or a phenomenon. Cresswell emphasized that researchers use qualitative research to develop theories when there is partial or inadequate theories exist for certain populations and samples, or the existing theories developed do not adequately capture the complexity of the problem we are examining. Researchers use qualitative research simply because the research issue or the problem to answer is not appropriate when quantitative will be employed. Meaning, quantitative measures such as mean and standard deviation, frequency and percentage, and inferential analyses like testing relationships, differences, and predictions are not appropriate to use. For example, when a researcher wants to explore the experiences or describe the current situation of the people during this COVID-19 pandemic, and wants to understand the reason or reasons on how they were able to cope with this challenge. Using a standardized questionnaire and getting a statistical mean may not give a more detailed perspective of the research issue. Cresswell also highlights that a researcher also uses qualitative research when he or she wants to write in a literary, flexible style that conveys stories, theaters, or poems without restrictions of formal academic structures of writing. Let us review on the reasons of when is qualitative research appropriate to use. First, an issue, a problem, or phenomenon is to be explored. Second, when there is a need to understand the phenomenon or a research issue in detail. Third, when we want to follow up quantitative research and explain the mechanisms or linkages in causal theories or models. Fourth, when we want to develop or generate theories. And fifth, when quantitative approach is not appropriate. And sixth, when we want to write in a literary, flexible style that conveys stories, theaters or poems without restrictions of formal academic structures of writing. In this video, we answered the question, when is qualitative research appropriate to use?